Welcome back to Planted Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Guys, I harvested tomatoes a few days ago and I give it all away. Now there's another harvest right here. I have more to harvest. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna harvest some tomatoes. Okay. You know, tomato is a very easy plant to grow. Very easy plant to grow. I have many different type of tomatoes. I grew this year. And these are the early bud tomato. These tomatoes start producing very early in the year. Once you get them in the soil by March, I guarantee you're gonna start to harvest June, late May into June. And they're gonna continue bearing. You know? Now, these are different type of tomato right here. And they already start growing. Soon they already start producing, ready to produce tomatoes. Okay? But this is how I like to plant tomatoes. I love to plant them in stages. When I say stages, what I mean, plant them that everything will not come in the same time. Because, you know, when I plant tomatoes, they bear so much that there just be so much tomatoes. So I can't afford to have all of them coming in at the same time. So this is how I do it, but at least every week I'll be harvesting tomatoes. Every week. Nice bunch of tomatoes. At the same time, I'm pluming, harvesting and pluming tomatoes at the same time. Very important to plume your tomatoes because the airflow is very important. Prevent from disease, prevent from the molds, and it keep your plant pretty healthy. So I'm pluming, I'm harvesting, but I'm pluming at the same time. All right, so guys, just like this. All right guys, so I harvest twice in a few days, and if you can see, in a few days again I will be harvesting tomatoes again from this same area. As a matter of fact, this is my third time harvesting tomatoes from this same area, you know. All right, so let's go over there. I have a few more to harvest, so I'll do it scissors. All right. Yeah, simple as 1, 2, 3, guys. All right guys, this is it. Once you take care of your plants, your plants will never fail you. Once you take care of your plants will never fail you. Peace and love. Blessing to all. Peace.